like you are thinking.
My love, I'm okay. So you're ready to go to work?
Yes.
Okay, have you eaten?
Food?
Yes.
No. No, the food is not yet ready. So let me just go like that. Maybe later.
My love, please, you can't go to work on an empty stomach. Let me rush and prepare something for you to eat, okay? I'll be right back.
Please, what? I don't have appetite. There's no appetite to eat this food. You can eat it.
Honey, please now, eat this food, please.
See, let me tell you, once you eat, I have ate. We are one. You can eat the food. Please, I'm late for work. Let me go.
Is it because last night? Please, I'm very, very sorry. Just eat your food now, please.
What happened last night? Nothing. But I don't want to eat. Okay, let me ask you this question. What of if I eat this food now and die here, what will you do?
Hey! How can you eat the food and die?
No, I'm telling you that I don't have the appetite. Let me go. Eat your food.
I know he's not just there for something business. Maybe the one has sent him to market to buy one or two things, the food stuff, or washing clothes for the wife. Because I am very, very sure. Or cooking for the wife. And we men, we are here waiting for the boy. Duru.
What is even keeping himself?
That's what I am saying, as if you are just waking up. That's why the fact that I'm the one who secured this job. What if they sack us now? You people will not believe me.
I can't shut up your mouth here. What, calling Ghetto Black? Can I count the number of times we've been waiting for you?
My own is very different. My wife always taking care of me. My wife respects me like God. Honor me like God. Worship me. But look at Duru. Duru is in the house now washing clothes and washing plates and washing pots. You're not supposed to allow women to control you. No. I can never be a party. I can never be that man who will allow a woman to control me. Imagine. A man supposed to be in control. You wait. The wife will say, honey, you look at her with a red eye. You say, honey, give me 20. Sir, am I your servant?
You know, the tiger inside of me is standing up.
Yes, a man supposed to be in control. Don't allow women to control you.
Right now, I will start to pay women.
Pay how well?
Cameroon pay.
I like that Cameroon.
That is what I will show her.
It was the way it sounds.
What could it be? I don't know. I even thought about it this morning. But I couldn't remember anything.
Did he do anything to you?
He did not though.
Are you sure? Let me ask you. Don't be angry, please.
It's okay. You can ask me anything you want to ask me.
Have you started cheating on him?
No. That is the part that surprises even me. I'm not cheating on him.
Are you sure?
I'm not seeing anybody. In fact, I don't have anyone else aside him.
Sister Dikeh, sure. Because most marital crises I know about is either the woman is cheating or the man is cheating. So check yourself. So if you are not cheating on him now, what's going on? Because I don't understand anymore.
You know me very well.
What do you
know me?
What do you think? Should he go back to the village? You mean
leave my husband's house to go, God forbid. How can you even think about it? You want me to drag the family name to the mud?
I don't want you, but in this case, what are you going to do? You can't continue like this. I wish I'm not here. I can't even. I don't even, sister. Seriously, you need to think about it.
Jumbo, you know, say now you bring us come this end also. Tell this man to go and call the engineer to come and repair this machine. I don't want somebody to give me any excuse after the month end.
Oh, is that what you are scared of? Well, it has been taken care of. I've called the technician to come and fix up the machine. Very soon we start to work as usual.
Okay.
But I know I like this kind of a thing. A factory like this where your machine will spoil for 1 week. You know what?
Jumbo, I don't know whether at the same money when they pay you, they pay us. Every day they drink beer.
The drinking is good for the blood now. It's good. If they flush something where they inside the blood.
You ginger the spirit. See, ginger the money.
My phone is ringing. My wife.
Your wife.
She's calling me idiot.
Nonsense.
Don't pick it. Cut
it with wickedness.
Cut it. No, you know the wife will relax, waiting that hoping that you will pick the cup. At the end, you will not pick the cup. But if he try to call you again, cut it so that she will know you are hungry.
Thank you.
Wait. You know waiting for happen. If he call, how many times he calls you?
No, just give him once.
Okay, beat him once. When you go out, jump beat him once. If he call you 5 times, beat him 5 times.
You know she's not supposed to disturb you. Why would she disturb you?
No, I know why she dey call me. She begged me to eat food in the morning. I refused. I say I no want eat, I no get appetite.
Appetite.
Okay, she begged you to eat in the morning and you didn't take that morning food. Yeah. Very fine. See, if you get to house this evening, don't eat again.
Me myself, I'm not ready to eat.
Stay hungry until this mood.
Yes.
Eat. Don't eat. Suffer yourself.
You talk both.
But the thing worried me last night.
Last night?
No. A man was born to suffer. So suffer yourself. Be a man.
And do not let her know that you are hungry. Pretend.
Keeping good friends is good though.
We are good friends.
We are good friends.
Let us toast to good friendship.
I will toast. Let us toast. You drink. Let me toast with you. You drink.
Now, hip.
I'm listening.
To check if my brother has done anything bad to you.
Anything like what?
Anything.
You that is asking me, have you noticed anything?
So, because the Juju I used to know then, it's not the Juju I am seeing now. A lot of things have changed.
I don't understand what you're talking about. What have I done? What are you noticing? What are you seeing? What have I done? Tell me.
You were in this house and your husband, Jumbo, my own brother, just the way our last daughter, Chika, and you did nothing.
So you came to my house you came to my house to tell me how to run my home. As in you used your 2 left your house and came to my own husband's house to question. I will slap you. Sister, dance now, sister. To tell me how to run my home. That's it. Mr. Badra, I've heard you. I've heard you, As it is now, you have overstayed your welcome.
More alone.
Get up and get out of
my house. You are sending out of your house.
Uju wants me. Who wants Ujunwa? Ujunwa now. Get up and get out of my house. Sister, there's nothing to that now, sister. Get out! Ujunwa. I'll slap you. Okay. Get out, sister. Get out of my house. I'll push you. I'll push you. Get out of my house.
I should get out of the house.
Get out! Biko, sister, get out of my house. Sister, I'm off here. The next time I will get you, you come to my house to
talk rubbish, it won't give me the miracle. I am equal to the task, eh? You see all of them, eh? One by one, I'm equal to the task. Let me see your left leg here in my house again. I'm off here. Sister!
Chioma! Chioma! Am I back? Did you sweep this house today?
Yes, I did.
You did, but I'm matching Sam. Look at you, Chioma. Okay, look at my television. Everywhere on earth. But you are in the house. What you know is only eating. Look at your tummy. Eh? But don't worry. I know that you are up to something. But I'm waiting for you. Dude, I'm waiting for you.
Anyway, is that why I've been calling you since morning? You refuse to take your calls.
You are calling who?
You.
You are calling me. I didn't see your call. I didn't see any of your call.
Is it because I asked you to start the generator? Is that why you remember?
Wow. Now you call. Because I know if you want to try a woman, just touch her somewhere. She will start coming out with her chorus. But I'm ready for you. Chioma, I married you. Eh? You can't do anything to me. Anywhere you come from, I'm waiting for you. Even if you kick her from post to post, I will carry it.
What is even wrong with you? What have I done to you? Because I asked you to start ordinary generator, you started blowing up. I didn't sweep the house, I didn't clean the TV. What's that?
Ordinary generator? You would have started it now. You can't when you DJ. Come on, generator. Don't worry, I'm ready for you.
Jambu! Thank God you're here. Jambu! How many times did I call you? Did I not answer you? Do they see anything else when I come to be against it? Listen to me and listen very good. Go and warn your stupid brother, Ochakomaka, Tolo. Go and warn him. Because the next time he will come here, I only pushed him out today. The next time he will come here, Allah, you hold me acid. Warn him and warn other members of your family.
That idiot annoyed. That idiot. My dear, what really happened? Let me know.
My in-law. The way my sister reacted today, I know I'm against it. It's not good.
Forget about what my sister did. Continue the story.
What your brother did? Yeah, my brother. It's not good at all. Odiroma, you have to talk to him.
That idiot. That idiot.
Thank God I'm at home today. Can you imagine? Tomo coming to tell me how to run my home. I think he can be here.
In a real seed. We took a salt to as you are pouring the acid. Pour the salt together. Salt and not be.
Thank God I'm at home today. Thank God, though. Please.
I bought a dry meat. It's very fresh. Don't mind him alone. Don't mind the idiot.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Speak ye first your face.
Hey.
And your love. And your other person.
husband loves you. Leave me alone. If you want to eat it, you eat.
Sister.
Don't worry.
It's not. Let me give it to her. My lord, let me give it.
Let me just go after everyone.
Go and try. Don't worry, just go.
I can so now.
How far? What happened?
If you see what this girl did to me today, she dealt with me. I mean, if you see what she did to me today, it was unbelievable.
But I told you not to go there and you insisted.
Yes, you did. But do you want me to sit down and watch that witch destroy our brother like that? Eh? And you said Brother Jumbo is under a spell. And you want me to leave him like that?
Now that you have realized that Bro Jumbo is really under a spell, won't you keep quiet? Or do you want to die before me?
I will not, oh.
Okay.
I will not.
Odemma, just look at me very well. You see what I'm doing now, eh? Sam, hence you have decided on what to do. Don't come back to complain to me. And come to my shop to tell me any rubbish about this again. I have given up. I am no longer part of this. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye
I called you out this night because I would like us to discuss a very, very important issue. Ever since we became neighbors, you've not been beating your wife. But lately, you've turned your wife into a punch bag. And it's not good. I'm sure many of the neighbors must have been complaining about it. Many of them will even gossip you at the back. But I decided to come and talk to you. Tell you what is actually happening around you. If you're not noticing that, we know that you beat your wife.
John, how old are you?
Polylus, age is not the topic here.
It's okay. I didn't say age is problem. I'm asking how old are you? Well, since that may pose a problem according to you, I will come up with this. John, I know you have a fleet of girlfriends. Very many. Your hands are full with them. And they come inside this house and go, come and go, come and go. My question is this. What is the longest duration of time you've spent with one of them? Because with my eyes, I see girls come in here. Some come in the morning, go in the evening. Some come in the evening, go in the morning. Some come in the weekend, some come in on weekdays, some come in on midweek. However, I see women here, but none of them stay. What is the longest duration of time you have spent with a woman? Have you housed a woman before? Are you married? Now, John, have you seen that you do not have any standing? You don't have any right to discuss marriage with someone who is married to a terrorist.
I'm not married, yes, I'm not married, but I'm talking about you beating your wife.
John, I should not be talking to you. It is your father I'm supposed to be talking to, because as it is right now, I don't understand why you're opening your mouth to say all this nonsense. Let's talk man to man. What are you? Man. Is it because you now begin to have pubic hairs? You are now a man. John, you are a man. Because you have hair here, you are a man. You have beard is what is making you a man. So you are a man. John is a man. It is myself that I blame. Had it been I had money to go and build a house of my own, how will I be a flatmate to a cockroach?
Linus, are you now indirectly calling me a cockroach?
You said it. Okay, John, please leave. Go to your. This is my side of the house. Go inside.
Aloy! This will be the first and the last I'm going to issue you this warning. Aloy! Stay off from me! In fact, anything that connected you to me or from me, disconnect yourself. Don't even come to my house. Don't even near the road that leads to my house. I am warning you. Don't near my house again. I am warning you now. Don't come to my house again. Hey. I'm warning you. John Boo, or whatever you call yourself. You left your house and come to my house to insult me in my own house. Do you want me to tell you something here? You will do nothing. I will do nothing. I am telling you how I'm going to handle you if you disobey me, if you near my house. See, you will do nothing. I will leave. But wait here, man. Allah, wait here, man. You are doing nothing. Hey, Aloy! Aloy, go nonsense. Go on, I want to sell it. Once you cannot start it.
So you want us to remain in darkness?
You want it that way. I want to sell it and buy kerosene for you so that you will start using your lantern. Come.
You're not going anywhere, this Jay.
Choma, I will slap you. Choma, I will slap you. Leave this crap.
What's happening?
Look at my wife, this small girl. She cannot start. Let me sell it and buy kerosene for her.
What is it now? You can't sell it again.
It's my property. On game call, in your chip, on call, but let me.
Honey, you better leave these people alone. You better leave them alone. Since he doesn't want to give you a listening ear, then allow him to be.
He's my only brother.
But he married Obianuju alone.
And then?
Oh, wait. Were you the one who married that woman for him?
I am not. But you will not understand.
Understand what? For crying out loud. Understand what? Oh, just hold on. Understand that you want to put asunder between husband and wife?
Did I hear you say asunder?
Yes.
They are putting asunder between husband and wife. In all these things that my brother is going through, husband and wife? No. As far as I'm concerned, this is not marriage.
I am just sick and tired of all this nonsense. I am sick and tired of everyday family problem. I am tired.
My woman, I think this conversation is over for now. What? This conversation? Over. I'll see you.
Honey?
Listen, listen very carefully. Any day you lay your filthy hands on my sister, you didn't make that day.
Yes.
Lie him.
Yes. Sorry. If you were to hang me, want money.
I beg you, man, I be me witness. I pay everything. They say money for you. I give 25,000. They say money for one. I pay everything.
Is there anything in the list you did not?
I did not pay.
Okay,
like you now. I don't. Now I really see your face. This man not be my in-law. For what I see, my spirit is telling my sense that you are the head of vigilante in their community. Now only this one I know say now my in-law. That time he did JS3. Now he follow me carry mineral for grade. I don't understand.
No, you are not asking who is your in-law, who is not your in-law.
This man is our man no. Which my in-law, which my father-in-law will agree make him begin carry newspaper for hand. See, your hand na drawing book. What it be this?
I will destroy this man. What would that not do with the in-law now? Who is not?
Any day. Go and catch your God. Go and then nonsense. Go carry him. Let us go. Go carry him.
What I want to say? My wife will not dare to do a thing like this. My wife will never ever try to do a thing like this. Why would my wife come from my in-laws? For what? Where did we get?
Look at the Goliath. You know,
I feel like to fight somebody. I feel like to fight somebody. I feel like to fight somebody.
She don't pay for your coffee.
Don't worry. What happened there? Sorry. Oh, your in-laws. Why am I here?
You're asking us. Okay, stay here. Bro.
They use gas for me.
Jumbo.
They use the deal for me. Carry me up.
Let us bring him up.
Carry me up!
Help me or what?
No, for friendship. What is this?
Let us put him up.
Put him there! Put him there!
If we leave you now, you fall. Put him there. Put him.
Hold my waist first. Hold my waist. Put him there!
Mama, could you believe I told my husband to stay away from Jumbo and his family? Since they don't want to listen to him. But he insisted. Ifugia?
Jen, your husband said he is going to die with Jumbo. Because he's the only brother he has.
Okay, no barrier. My dear, you needed to see the way he harassed me today. Simply because I was advising him to stay away from Jumbo and his family. So that I will not lose my husband.
Leave him. Why are you still advising him? Just let him be.
My dear, he even told me the way Jumbo addressed him. It was terrible. Very, very terrible.
Just leave these two men. They are brothers. They will sort out themselves. Oh, see, I have fought this fight and then I realized it's of no use. I have hands off from it. So just leave them. Biko, how is my niece and baby?
Sister, we are clear. Honestly, I'm just tired of this family problem every day.
You have seen my reasons. How could she? She went and she brought her brothers. Because of you had a little misunderstanding with her. She went to her people and brought them to come and chew you like a tiger. You imagine? Hey!
Noah! Me, Dulu! God! Hey, God, you know me too well. My in-laws beat me, Dulu. Fire!
Let my own in-laws, let them come and try it. My wife dares not, even if I roast her like a granite, frepa. Or I roast her like a popcorn. She dares not talk to anybody.
Listen, Polinus, if I were you, before I get to my house, my wife will miss. Because if I meet her, I will use mat. I will use mat, wrap her, and take her to his
I'm very sure that Paulinus will not forgive the wife. Not even this year.
Listen to me.
Jumbo, Duro. CNN will carry my story, Duro.
Yes.
I'm not going to Ken never say young men in the man no in the beggar man say CNN will carry me like breaking news today. You will
tell your in-laws that you bought their sister with your money. Your heart and currency. All television is like television. You can use it anyhow you want. If
you like, increase the volume. If you like, you decrease it. You just stand alone, you change her like channels.
Show them.
I'm going to be running on the news bar.
You will hear me.
You will hear my news.
Let's all change.
Say for I'm changing on you.
Let us change. Let's change. I'm changing because I want to hear that. I want to hear how to beat your wife very, very well.
Mama, I must go. I want to go to the city, Mama. To Mama's place. Sister, then juice place. And I said you will not go. Chinasa is there. Now you want to go and join her. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Mama, what is bad about it? You went to the city and you came back. Now Chinasa is there. I want to go to the city. I want to go and see things. Mama. And I said you are not going anywhere. What will Jumbo's people be thinking? that we have become liabilities to their brother. Are you mad? Okay, Mama. Call Chinasa to come back. Because I can't stay in this village alone. I can't stay with you, Mama. I want to go to the city. I should be the city. Amara, you are not going anywhere. To the city. I'm going to the city. What are you saying? What are you telling me? If you are my mother or I am your mother. That's what I see. Jackie, I'm fear. Unless I'm not your mother.
Chinenyo, you are a very deadly woman. You are a very wicked woman, I am telling you. Yes. You have the guts. You have the effrontery. You have the nerves. You have the mind to call and summon all the Ndioriamba everywhere around the world, locally and internationally, to come and beat me up. True or true?
I did not send anybody to beat you.
You did not send who to beat me. You decided to send all of them to come and beat me up. What did I do to you?
I did not send anybody to beat you. My brothers only asked that they wanted to meet you, to show them where you were at. And I did. How was I supposed to know their plans? Or how was I supposed to know they were going to beat you?
You wanted them to show, or they wanted you to show, or what? Was I declared missing? Everybody knows that there is no marriage in this world that does not have small misunderstandings. And I decided to just express my own in a way I just believe I can correct my wife. You decided to go and bring people in your family. Even some of them I didn't even see in the traditional marriage. That means you had hired community talks to come and beat me up. What did I do to you? Huh?
My husband.
Who is your husband? Shut up your mouth. Who's your husband? Who's your husband? I used to be your husband though. I am your former husband. Husband emeritus. That is my status right now.
But I didn't know their plans was to beat you up. I thought they just wanted to caution you not to ever beat me again.
Caution me how? Caution me. Are they referees? Did you see me wear jersey? Am I a footballer? Why are they cautioning me? Oh! Chineye, I chose you. Out of all the women in this country, I decided to just carry you alone. Do you know there are up to 200 million people living alive inside this country called Nigeria? We're fine. But I just decided to just take you just one and make you my cross. Why don't you just hang me on the cross inside Golgotha? Let me just die like that instead of for you to change the style and bury me alive. What is it?
You won't die. I'm sorry.
Look at you.
I did not know my brother was going to...
Wait, excuse me. Wait, how did I meet you and propose to you? Did I propose to you inside nice box? Was my eye not clear enough? Look at the tactics. Hey! You now beginning to have beards. You have beards. You are an upcoming husband. That is the truth now. That is the see. They are coming. The same way those beards are coming one by one strand after the other. Your ego, your manly ego is just elevating. And there you are. You want to topple my government. Look at you. See your face. Everything that made you a woman, you have decided to put it inside the trash can. You used to wear makeup and look like a woman. Now, your face is now like that of a man, so that you can stand up and topple my government of the Federal Republic of this house. It is not going to work.
But you like my face like this.
Who said I like your face like this? Who said? Ordinary to kneel down now, you are even up almost my height. I don't know how you manipulate the food that you give me inside this house so that it makes you taller and makes me shorter. What is going on? What is it? No problem. Stand up. You see, I will just give you only one preference because of old time's sake, because of the fact that you used to be my wife. I will treat you fairly, not as anyone I have any feelings for, but as a fellow Nigerian. I am going to tell you to go inside there and go and pack up your things. Go inside and pack up your things. Go, pack your things softly. Keep them. In the morning, you can begin to go on your missionary journey.
But you're the one that caused it. You have changed. This is not how you used to be. This is not how you used to show me love. You don't...
Go and pack and leave. Who has changed? Am I a political party? I said go and pack.
You have changed. You don't used to beat me before, but you beat me.
I don't beat you. I chastise you. That's what I do.
Please, I want you to find out from your sister, my wife, what I have done wrong. That grievous offense I committed that's making her treat me, giving me all this ill treatment and harassment. But I am confused.
My in-law, I will try my best. Relax. I will find out before I leave. That is why.
What is going on here? What are you people discussing? Shameless he-goat. What are you doing here? Your mates are out there working and you are still here. Won't you go to work? Come and stay here and be discussing. I'm not sure.
Sister, why are you behaving like this towards your husband? He's your husband. We were only discussing.
Discussing as mates, Sokuya? As his second wife. You want to go?
Wait, don't be angry. Don't be angry.
You're discussing. Discussion.
Come over, my sister. Why is she acting like this?
Stand this side, go. Go. Move this way. Go. Be going. This is what you always like doing. You like waiting neighbors. This thing would have done it peacefully. You would have gone to your house. Now what are you coming? Excuse me. Are you chief judge over my affairs in my house now? Why are you setting tribunal over my marital issue? Huh?
Chine, what is it?
You're sorry?
Huh?
You're on your knees. Okay, I'm on my back.
What?
Huh?
Chine, what?
I'm on my back.
For you to stand up now.
Please.
What?
I am here. Please, I'm sorry too. I'm sorry. I am on my back. Look at this witch. She went and hired her brothers that are dogs to come and beat me up just because we are having normal husband and wife misunderstanding. They beat me, they beat me.
Is that true?
I didn't tell them to beat him. They only asked me where he was, and I told them he was at the workshop. How will I ask my brothers to beat my own husband?
Pauline, did they beat you? Did they beat you? Did they touch you?
They dealt with me.
Why?
Why? I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Why would you go and bring your brothers to beat your own husband? It's not good.
Ask
Paulinus, get up. Get up.
I'm sorry.
Get up, sorry, yeah? Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. Then we'll talk about this thing. Let's go to my house and talk as men. Let's just go.
And talk as men. Come on, shut up, come on, get away here. You are a boy. Which man? Are you married? Have you ever married a wife before? Even if you are married or you are married a wife, have you ever married a witch?
Therefore, I don't know you like this. I don't know you like this. I'm even better than you now.
You're better than me.
Carrying so many women, I'm better than you now.
No problem. How won't you be better than me? Wearing jeans, sagging jeans. Sagging. Wearing, I don't know whether it is blouse you're wearing or polo. And you're carrying women up and down. You're better than me. And sit down.
I've taken my hand.
Go. You can't. Who made you a lot and judge over my own house and family? In fact, I don't have family. It's fine. This one is gone. That is your third kind of cry. Change it.
Oh, my brother, my sister.
This your early morning visit, I hope all is well. There is no problem at all. I just came to see you guys. I know how you're doing. Oh, that look where so cool. This girl, what have you been eating? She knows nothing than food. You should start looking for shape because I am a How is my daughter-in-law?
She's beautiful. Everybody's fine. Hey. Chika, take this care and get those medicine.
I hope you bought something for me, oh.
Because something every time.
I am saying that you are still this thing. You are still looking for more. Mommy, how now?
I'm fine.
You're looking beautiful.
Why won't I look good?
And they know this call, food. But you're looking good.
I'm supposed to look good since I have someone like you. When you want to look good.
It is a lot.
They fight. Love is the way. Yeah. Marriage is good, oh. My brother, my sister. Respect your vow. Respect your God.
Mama.
Obey your partner.
Mama.
For your better tomorrow.
Mama.
Rita! Mama, again.
See my sister.
Chinayama. Oh my God. Chinayama. Oh, Guinea. Talk to me now. What is it? Your husband chased you out of the house. What did you do to him? Can you hear me? Talk to me now. Huh?
Obedient. Take her inside. Stop asking us a lot of questions.
Get up now.
What did I do to punish you? My sister knows so.
Get up! Let's go inside.
Now when you enter, now then you go know you hear. Nothing come, brother. Nothing come. Nothing come. My sister no be sure. Marriage is different though from boyfriend and girlfriend. Now when you enter, now then you go know. Marriage is good. Marriage is blessing. Marriage is nice. It bring about prosperity. Pay respect to the one you're married to. Not they fight. Love is the way. Yeah. Marriage is good, oh. My brother, my sister. Respect your vow. Respect your God. Obey your partner for your better tomorrow. Marriage will work out where there is love. Find your love and make it work. When I want marry, I go marry my lover. I no go marry for favor. I no go marry for money. I go date different, cause I am different. My brother no be sure. Nothing come, nothing come, nothing come, nothing come. My sister no be sure. Marriage is different though from boyfriend and girlfriend. When you enter, then you go know. Marriage is different
There's something I'm thinking of. Is it not better we go to your uncle?
Okay, you mean Uncle Okoro?
No, Uncle Okoro.
Okay.
So we can discuss this matter of your brother with him. I can order a fair or fair.
We know him. We need to go and talk to him.
Oh, in that case, let me call your sister so she can go and check whether he's
What's about it?
Chika! Chika! Yeah, on net, yeah. I can order a fair at why I check out. Go and check whether your uncle Okoro is in. Okay, Mama. I want to go and see him.
Okay, Mama.
Chika, you should be fast about it. Don't go and be playing. Be fast.
Okay, Mama.
So, why you give me more time? Because I wouldn't want it to disturb you. It's okay. Whatever because of your husband. Osgo, pull yourself together. It's okay. Oh?
It's okay.
Chinebe.
Don't
Chinebe.
Papa.
What really happened?
I'm not remembering this video. Yeah, I don't know where to start from. But Papa, let me tell you my own side of the story. Paulinus comes to the shop to help me every day. He helps me pack my goods into the shop.
Rita! Rita, where's my... Sister?
Come.
My husband helps me pack my goods into the shop. Everybody is happy. All of a sudden, he changed. He doesn't come to the shop to help me. You know how big my shop is. Do you know that I have to pack all that goods into the shop all by myself? And after doing that, I become so weak. I get so weak that I can't even do anything. To worsen the whole matter, by the time I'm done doing this by myself, when I go to buy foodstuffs, I realize that the food sellers had gone. There's nothing I could have done.
You mean you starve your husband, Chine Yangwa? Chine, let me tell you, you have no reason whatsoever to starve your husband.
Mama, I know you blame me. Can you just hear from me first?
Iluka, please allow her to finish it. I'm hearing you.
Papa, all I have narrated to you was what happened. All of a sudden, my husband turned me into a punch bag.
Wait a minute, Chineye. You mean Paulinus laid hands on you?
Papa, you are Ikanaswibu. Paulinus na wom kajina man na grill.
Paulinus is a madman.
Papa, I called Obina. Look at Obina here. I called Obina and I reported my husband to Obina. Papa, do you know that Obina went to call his friends and they went to beat up my husband?
Wait a minute.
In fact, Obina is the reason why I am in this house right now.
Wait. Huh? All these things happened in this house. No one cares to tell me. No one cares to let me know. Obina.
Father, why? Because you will not do anything about it. Sister, you see what I will do to that man. He has beaten more than he can chew. Watch and see. You see what will happen now.
Come back here. Obina! Get up here. Obina!
No, sister, leave me this. I want to take my own action here.
Obina, calm down. See, you need to be here, please.
Sister, what is this one? Now look at this man. First of all, he's beating you before. Now he's sacking from his place. For what now? This man doesn't have respect for this family.
Calm down. Oh, you want the whole world to know your sister just came back from her husband's house up where?
Oh, sister, get into now. I'm going to the city now. I'm going to the city with Apisili, Obarala, and Kanda.
Do what?
Go see Pepen.
Obina, what is wrong with you? Do you want to cry more than the bereaved? Are you the one married to my husband? And even I came here, look at what he has cost me. My husband sent me back on because of you.
He did not cost anything.
Oh, you're supporting
Your husband is the brain behind everything.
Mama, come on, you didn't do anything. I'm the first son of this house.
Obina, how many times did I call you? Will you marry me?
Sister.
Obina, will you marry me? Are you my husband? Will you marry me? Sister. Will you marry your sister?
Yes, will you marry
me? Wait! Will you and Obina marry me?
It would be very young. You are still young.
Very young.
You can remarry. What are you telling me? You can remarry. Yes.
Very young indeed.
Husband, no okay? Husband, no husband, no I'm just telling you.
Oh, on everywhere.
Do
you want to die?
You will call your husband for me.
Your husband is now.
Stop me from this action.
All they now for.
Mama, how can find your husband for me? Mama, go up in now. I don't want.
I am your mother and you have to listen to me. Has anything come over you? Marry. Do you want to kill yourself because of marriage?
The problem I have with my husband is between I and my husband. The only person that has a right in this matter is Papa. Let nobody, even you, Mama, come in between me and my husband. I'm not going to take it, please. Biko,
this girl is mad.
My lover, I no go marry for money, I no go marry for favor. I go there in charge, everything go work out because I am different. My own go different.
You go be now.
Yeah.
No, it's not possible. Nobody will wait for anybody.
It's alright.
Yeah, okay.
That reminds me.
come to your house and then eat. You know, ever since my wife departed, this side has been very, very, very tough.
Yes. Yes, Bam.
Okay, to come to my place and eat.
Yes,
Now.
Now.
And you are saying it now.
Yes, now meets now.
Now meets now.
And it is equal to a now.
Hey, now. You know, I need to call my wife. I need to tell my wife to go to market and get fresh fish, you know, meat, chicken, to prepare delicious food for my friends.
But he can manage.
You manage?
Yes, because he's like a bachelor now.
Yes, as it is now, I can manage. I am a managist.
A managist, but anything concerning now, it won't work. Maybe let us leave it for another day.
Okay. It's already late. Let us leave it for tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Tomorrow morning? You mean earliest morning or just morning?
Tomorrow morning.
As in breakfast? No, my wife will not be back there from church. From morning mass. You know, she goes to morning mass every morning. There will be two before it. Morning mass. Okay, no, after the morning mass, there's another mass.
How many mass do you have? Is it morning mass or mass?
No, after the morning mass, there's another mass on top of the mass. That is the mass. You know, a lot of masses.
After first mass, the next mass is mass.
It's mass.
Jumbo, you said that your wife is obedient to you.
You have every right to stop her wherever she wants to go. I do now. She dares not to disobey me. If I say my wife should not go to morning mass, she will not go to morning mass.
Then tell her now not to go.
Okay, tomorrow. No, she's a member of CWO, and the CWO will be the people that will pray for the man that died and the wife that died.
Okay, tomorrow, so that it will not be like last, so that they will not be quarrel, and so that it will not look like I am having longer throat in the evening.
Okay, evening. I will escort him. Evening. Yes.
That evening, tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening after work.
No, tomorrow is okay.
After work.
It's good. Hey, evening is good though.
Bros, let's go.
It's okay. Tomorrow evening.
Okay, now greet your wife.
I will. It's okay. Tomorrow evening is okay. Tomorrow is okay. No, it's okay. Tomorrow evening. I know. Bye now. It's okay. Tomorrow evening.
The way this man is saying tomorrow evening, and he's repeating it like this. Tomorrow evening. My spirit is telling my mind something.
Poinus, come, let's go. Until tomorrow, come now.
My spirit is telling my mind. In fact, you get what you say. Tomorrow evening, I see hunger. No.
I don't know what Obianuju gave to my son, Jumbo. The Jumbo I'm seeing now is no more the Jumbo that came out of my womb. Obianuju na apezi akatoy, pim, pom. Everything has changed. Even in our mom.
What happened? Uncle? Jumbo now eats woman shit. Jumbo one name working and Lizzie's wine.
Jumbo, my son, drove me out of his house.
Hey, Usheme!
Obansonka. He chased me out with bottle.
Hey! Not only Mama. Jumbo now sees everybody in our house as his enemy. You know Chika now? The one that I've been living with Jumbo. Jumbo chased her out of the house.
I thought Chika came back for holidays.
No, why? Jumbo chased her out.
Chika now based in the village.
Even men they are Chika Gary.
Hey! John Boots is in the Papia. What a village. Hey!
It went to Nishika. Bunkana Mama. But do you have a John Boots number?
I have his number, but the problem is that this guy hardly picked my call. Boy, let me call him. Let me call him. Mama, I had the coffee. I'm like, I'm boy. If you repeat.
I know that my wife so for now, let's have it out of school. I know this one is wrong. I know Jumbo, tomorrow evening, we are there.
Come on. The people will come and start to begin to make me to go and sack my wife.
Who told you?
You will begin to start to train me.
Who advised you? Somebody told you, just go, stop pampering your wife. You won't attack your wife. You won't attack nobody advise you.
Look at me, I'm eating serious thing. It feel like they carry concrete to one with mineral. Like I am a refugee.
Okay, go and bring her back.
Eh?
Go and bring her back.
You know how many times I cry inside my heart that my wife has gone?
Me myself, I'm not in good time with my wife, but we are still living.
And I am the first person in this our union to sack my wife. And your wife is there.
Yes, now that one concerning you.
Oh yeah, bet me, if things continue like this, two of us are going to marry your wife.
My wife? Will not come to my house.
I have something I want to beg you. My friends will be coming here. I said, let me just tell you that my friends will be coming. They will be coming tomorrow. After work tomorrow.
So, why are you telling me? How is it my business if your friends are visiting you? Or when goes we like someone goes to phone margin.
Hey, sister. Calm down. Why are you reacting like that?
But no more. I want you to welcome them. To at least pretend. Welcome them warmly. Accept them. Let us at least, play that love once again. Just pretend as if we are good for me before them. I'm okay.
You want me to welcome them warmly? Just that? Or do you want me to kiss them? I kiss them one by one.
Welcome them, I'm okay.
Just welcoming them well. That's about them, no problem. I'm not here now. Is that why you have to touch me?
Sorry, I haven't said.
Sister, he's your husband. Eh?
Okay, I'm quite long. Respect yourself. You know, can't you go again? Respect yourself. What is your problem?
My brother, my sister.
Chika, why are you putting the bag? Why now? Mbano, bro, if I ain't now. Mbano, get it. Aloy! Where is he? What? You should have. Mama, Kede Force, why are you going now?
I need to go. I have to go. Look at my phones are dancing since the day I came in here. And I believe my wife might have been very, very worried now. So I must go. Please.
Come and talk on the number.
Biko, let me just go.
Since you've mentioned your wife. Nambiko biake na balonaba. Maki jagi na Nwunye ge, love dale. Akama drop here. Small time she will kill herself. Biko bialaba before she kills herself. But You would have waited in the evening, so I should gather more ogirisi now, eh? Mama now. Hey, let my daughter-in-law cook well now, eh? I've made calls for that.
No, Mama, you know, the one you gave to us last time is still okay. We've not finished it, it's still there. Please, yes, I have to go.
Because we are going young mama drum, Mana, alone. No matter what, I am begging you in the name of God. When you get to the city, always check on your brother John Bull.
What?
Check on who? But I don't check on anybody.
Mechano! I should do what? Mama, not after those insults that guy gave to me. No, Mommy, I will not do that. You need to see the kind of insult that this guy gave to me.
Calm down.
And you want me to still go back again?
It doesn't matter. He's still your blood, your own blood brother. And okay, if you do like this, what will I do? What will I do? Then I'll go and kill myself.
Mama, you know it's not easy.
Biko, please. Okay, let me nail down for you.
No, Mama. I'm try.
Brother, when I'm ready to come to the city, I'll call you.
Listen, before you come, just make sure you call me on phone, okay? She will. And this one that you're adding, Mama, just please look at that. You know I told you that I will not go and marry you.
You will not marry him. Leave my daughter alone for me. Who you gonna add? I beg, leave my daughter. Mama. Biko kelele Nwunye mama, Leave my daughter.
You people just keep food for me.
Drive carefully. Okay. Bye.
Mama, I am tired of your brother. I am tired of all this nonsense. I am just tired.
Butu, what is it?
Name, how can somebody die in another person's problem? Jumbo here, Jumbo there. I am just tired. Okay, yesterday he was going out from the house. He told me he was going to come back the same day. Till now, your brother's phone is off. If I'm at your brother's phone, my husband is off. I am just tired.
Jane, you just like to stress yourself over nothing. You like to worry too much. Just calm down. I'm sure nothing has happened to him. As for his phone, my community has light issues. Maybe he has no battery.
No battery? My dear, I don't believe you.
Oh yeah, kill yourself. Yes, kill yourself.
If I should kill myself?
Hence you don't believe me. You're looking at me. One daddy come. One lady you disagree with me that I'm lying. Kill yourself.
You're not asking me to kill myself. Ifoma.
Jane, please, I have customers inside.
It's
this
okay.
is why you came. Let me just go back.
It's okay, sorry. Go and attend to your customers. For me, I am going straight to the village to meet them.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome to my house.
Oh, thank you.
That's my wife.
Welcome.
Okay. And the sister.
Oh, sister.
Please, if you don't mind, let's go inside.
We don't mind. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
You're welcome to my house. Welcome.
Welcome. Come in.
Please sit down.
Yes,
make yourselves comfortable.
Thank you. That's my lovely wife.
So, what do we offer you?
Yes. No, use your mouth. Just say it.
Are you asking us?
Okay.
See question.
Don't say what you want.
Excuse me, I'm coming. Relax, make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
is my husband. I did not say my husband.
But you just left this morning.
To where, Chika?
To the city.
And his phone is even off.
Oh. Don't worry, Onwere. He is fine. Just that, you know, all this village thing now, poor electricity. Since yesterday, no light, even till this morning. And his 2 phones were off. He even complained about you being worried. But
Mama, honestly, I did not sleep last night. Because when he was leaving the house yesterday, he told me he was going to come back that same yesterday. Till now, I've not set my eyes on my husband.
He should have returned that yesterday, but there was something we needed to discuss. And the thing kept him till this morning. Oh, forgive him because of me. Oh, I'm amnesia about going.
And now his phone is even off.
Oh, Makoku, hope your own is on. It's on. Because I'm sure he will call you when he gets to the city.
Smile on your face now. Just smile. And this your hair, you dash me. I like the hair.
But slap you.
See, you did not see your husband fine, but you see your mother-in-law. Can't you smile for me?
Mama,
smile for me. If you go there, you smile for me.
You know dash me the hair.
Jumbo.
Yeah.
Don't eat.
No. He's fine. He will eat later. Now,
yes.
He will eat later.
Yes.
And see as you are drinking the beer like soup.
Wow, that's right.
Put enough rice.
Enough rice.
Put
enough rice. This is heaven family. Heaven family. Madam, thank you.
Enjoy yourself, okay? If you need anything, let me know. I'll get more.
Kill us with drink. We are like ancestors.
Duru, my heart is broken. Duru, this man is enjoying married life. Look at the way the wife, she was dancing. Welcome, welcome. At a point, it looked like she was doing siren. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my God.
The wife is too good.
The wife is, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, that was how I wanted my wife to be. Hey, in fact, that is what I wanted my wife to be too. That is why I was giving her back. And now he packed all her compound people and her family. And they came to beat me up.
And they pack. He planted you somewhere. Look at you.
No. I have to marry new wife.
Yes, and now you come. You better go for Uncle Boo's wife's sister. Because everything runs in the blood. You better go there. You see, then you will start enjoying marriage life like him. You better do.
When I want marry, I go marry the best. I no go waste time to seek out the best. I go anywhere, I go do anything, no, to find the woman, the one for me. No think come, brother, no think come, my sister no be so.
As your co-wife, have you ever talked to her?
Mama, who? Obianuju. Me? Talk to Obianuju? Mama Biko, I'm afraid. Mama, Obianuju is something else. Could you believe Obianuju insulted my own husband? Disgraced my husband? And here telling me to talk to Obianuju? Was she not the one who supported her husband to push away from the house?
But why are you afraid of her? She has no power. She's just using her charms on my brother.
Chika, don't say that. Because I'll say it again. Mama.
Everything is just like a dream to me. To understand what is happening. Mama, wait.
You see, he's your son. And I'm not going to take his call.
It's a lie.
Let me suffer him the way he suffered me.
Jane, why are you saying this? Is like you did not understand me. Okay, since you entered here, have you seen Pakama as a light? Awkward the raw. His 2 phones were off. He can't we Can you say what I'm
Mama, I've heard.
Picky, Nisha Garagara.
Hello? So why are you stressing me? Why are you putting all this stress on me just for nothing? What did I do to you? Tell me, what did I do to you? Okay, when you were leaving the house, you told me that you're going to come back the same yesterday. Auntie, just look at the time you're calling me. Just look at it. Have you seen it? You've started though. You've started. Okay, hold on. Let me ask you something. Have you started cheating on me? Hey. What? I've heard. So where are you now?
My sister no be so. Marriage is different though from boyfriend and girlfriend.
Okay, I'm with Mama and Chika. Mama said I should pass the night with them. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll join you. So have you eaten?
My sister no be so. Marriage is different though from boyfriend and girlfriend. The way you enter, then you go know. Marriage is Marriage is nice, it bring about prosperity. Pay respect to the one you're married to. Not they fight, love is the way. Yeah. Marriage is good.
Shampoo! Give me my money. Give me my money. You begged me to attend to your guests, which I did. They ate and enjoyed themselves. Now pay me my money, Obuloku. Listen to me, Jabo. If you don't give me that money, you see those your stupid friends, I'm going to go to their houses one by one and I will collect my money.
Sister, you will not do that, please. Sister, because you know,
I'm begging you, okay, give me 2 months or 1 month. I'll give you the money. Once I collect my salary, I'll give you the money.
I'm not give 2 months or 1 month. That day that you came to me, in Asimu, entertain your friends, pretend to be lovers, pretend to be this one, that one. Did I tell you 1 month? Did I tell you 2 months? Now you are telling me 1 month or 2 months. Did I give you 2 months? Did I tell you 2 months? Now you can't come back. You pay me.
I think it's done.
You pay.
I think it's done. Remember you said they have me my
sister, you will give you the money.
I think it's done because
your mother is on the line, your father is on the line. Did you buy this photo for me? Come, get out! If I catch you there, shop, I will beat you. Nonsense.
Honey, here is your food.
What?
Your food.
As what? As dog or as what? What type of serving food is this? Huh?
What happened to the food?
See, Chioma, I need to take you to one of my friend's wife to train you. Because you don't know anything. If you see the day we went to their house, if you see the way the woman served us, you know that woman passed woman.
Please, can you just stop it? Hold it there. So we have been married since 7 years. It's now that you know that I'm not serving you well.
Yes, I was enjoying it. But I want to say it now. Eh? Look at the type of cover you use. Look at, oh. Come, take this thing away.
Anyway, you bought this plate. I will continue using it to serve you.
I bought the plate. Oh yeah, eat. I know your plan. Go and eat. From today, you will continue eating until this year ends. Hey, you're going to Maharo. No pay long one. Hi.
Papa. I want to go back to my husband.
Yeah?
I want to go back to my business.
You can do your business from house.
I can't do my business from the house. I have to go to my husband's house to do my business.
Sister, with all due respect, you are not going anywhere.
What is wrong with you?
You are not going anywhere.
Did I call your name?
Chinenye, I think that business should wait. That business should wait. You cannot risk your life because of money.
See,
Chinenye, we need that young man to come back to his senses.
Good.
Please.
I know my husband. My husband
He's not a violent person. I believe that if I get close to him, I'll pray for him. I can solve this problem from this house. I can't.
Well, it's well understood. It's well understood. But I still believe that young man needs to be given a little time. Let's see if he can come back to his senses. You can force yourself to him.
It's bad.
Listen, if you go back to that man's house, he will regard you as nothing. Chinenye, I want you to know that I cannot deceive you. Let's give him some time. Let's see if he can come back to his senses. Please.
I know, Chinenye. I want you to listen to your father. Oh? Listen to him very well. He will not deceive you. Huh? You know, when a man starts beating his wife, he has started. And there is no two ways about it. Big woman. Oh? Oh? Please. Yeah? Stop crying, Chinenye.
But sister, Papa is right. You have to listen to him. Papa will not deceive you now. He will not.
Guys, Chegon, what is wrong with you?
It's not I'm afraid.
You don't want your mate again.
I would like you to talk to my brother. It's high time you talk to your friend. For God's sake, he's your friend. And I believe in me that this guy will listen to you. Because this guy don't listen to anybody. Not my mother, my sisters, not even me, his own brother. He don't listen to anyone.
Hello. Tell me, what do you want me to tell him?
How do you...
What do you want me to tell him? He knows his problem.
What do you mean by that? How?
Aloy, I told him, but he wouldn't listen.
I don't like him. But I don't love him. Eh? Please, you should look for another person. Marriage is for better, for worse. Eh? Okay. Assuming I get married to him, and tomorrow something goes wrong, who will bear the consequences?
Benuju, you know you're my sister.
And he's also my good friend.
Benuju, there's no way I will deceive you. I will not mislead you. Benuju, what I'm saying is, just say yes to this man. Say yes to him. Your problem is over. This is not a hard vision. Oh. Forget about this. Maybe he doesn't have car now. Tomorrow he will buy car. See, marry this man and your problem is over. Trust me, I cannot deceive you. You know you're my sister. Eh? Please, just say yes to him.
Chima, like I said before, I don't love him. Marriage is not friendship.
I know.
Marriage is not friendship. So, I don't love him. Okay. Am I the only girl in this village? You should pick another person, eh?
But you really want
bam, because stop telling me this. In short, I'm out of here.
Uju? Hi.
Nah. I walk.
I don't know. She said you don't have money.
Well, let us rearrange it. Let us, by this time, tomorrow, at Nwunye Oka.
Is it the same of any Jews issue?
But we will say it in another dimension. I will have cause away.
Okay. No problem. I will see you tomorrow.
Well, no problem.
Take heart.
Jambu, I tried talking to her, but it seems that she doesn't love you. Why can't you look for another girl elsewhere?
There is something you are not getting in this, my condition. Let me tell you, if not Panadol, he can never be Panadol. If I cannot have her, then no other woman. I'm telling you the truth. And you know me, Jambu. I can never grab something and that thing or banana. Not possible.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
You mean what
I want us to do, because I really want us to do something.
Yes. Okay, what do you want us to do?
That's good.
Huh? Jumbo,
you heard me.
Jumbo, you want me to give my sister love potion because
bring
you want to...
your voice down. Can't you see them? I'm not gonna. I don't know Maya.
Jumbo, I cannot do it.
You cannot.
I cannot do it. I'm sorry.
Chima, I am begging you. This is the last thing I ever wish you can do for me. Do it for me, then I will remain grateful.
Do you know it's my sister we're talking about here?
I know.
Jumbo, it's not possible.
It's okay, fine. Okay, let me give you more bottle, more tea.
You take this because of drink.
Can I make it 3 bottles?
Jumbo, I cannot do it. I'm sorry. Look for another person to do it for you. Just think about it. Want me to come?
No. This I should look for someone else. Don't worry, let me figure out how to carry out my own operation. But as for her, I will get her.
You have to hurry up, it's getting late.
Relax now. Huh?
It's gossiping that I'm here.
I know now. Uju, Pole. Sorry, relax. Uju, come. Let me go and tell you something outside.
Say it here.
No. It's not something we'll talk. Let's go outside.
I cannot talk about it when we get home.
No. Just come. Let's go outside.
Chima, I hope you're not trying to tell me about this.
No. Mama, you trust me again. It's not about him. Yeah?
Wait, can you prepare each year with that straight? Where do you see one? Three, double.
Chima, let's go.
Sit down. No, sit down.
It's late, let's go.
I didn't finish everything.
Bye.
That was how it happened.
Uchonya dinjonu, maybe as you think I'm my brother, my sister.
I think it's going to need marriage. Front, stay front, man. Make I follow you from back.
Why do you do like this now?
Our mission now, is it not for your second wife? You're supposed to stay front now. Let me follow you for back.
The way they behave now, you can't reach here, you can't turn back. You can't be like, say, you won't make guilty conscience begin to catch me for a good thing where they do.
Okay, let me tell you, I'm afraid. How can we come to our friend's house without information? Eh?
No be our friend again. Hey, na marriage now. Na fight.
Your friend, you just walk, enter his house without information. Okay, you're good. I think you're back.
My sister no be so. Marriage is different though from boyfriend and girlfriend. Now when you enter, now then you go know you hear. Nothing come, brother. Nothing come. My sister no be so. Marriage is different though from boyfriend.
Why is your face like that?
Do you know that Jumbo is the cause of his problems?
How?
Jumbo used charm to marry Obianuju.
Huh? Brother, what are you saying? Who told you that?
His friends, Chim, of course.
Abomination. Abomination. How could he have done that? Is Obianuju the only girl in this world?
Hi.
I have been blaming her all this while. Braloy, what are we going to do now?
Let's break the marriage. Or someone will die. Why don't we fire him? I can't believe Jumbo can do this. Why?
Hey!
This is just the beginning. By the time I use this knife, to slaughter you people, people no only can say pokoko when I go not have fun. And I'll start with you. Oh, people think I'm a good woman because I was pretending. I'm not there, my head no dey there, and they scatter. This idiot told me to pretend to be a good woman. You came to my house, I was pretending. Yeah, welcome. It's sad this, sad that. Look at you fools, me, they call you sir. I produced my hard-earned money to prepare sumptuous food with big meat like this. You put ballast on my chair.
Please, I'm sorry. I no longer truth is a crime. Please, I know. Please, I know. Please, I know. Please, release me, please. Release me. In my eye, I am seeing Salah. Sometimes I see Christmas. Sometimes I am seeing native. I don't know. I am a living sacrifice.
Madam, if you know why we are here, you will not do this thing to us. We want to marry your sister. We want to marry your sister.
Sorry, I've changed my... sorry, I didn't even think of that kind of thing. With what I am seeing here, I thought I married a terrorist. This one will be a confirmed ISIS.
Now, please, madam, we are so Can you give us some time?
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking, Abi? You think I'm joking? No. Here! Okay, who is going first? Is it you? No, I'm always with you. I will kill the people here.
You people don't know.
I will kill the people here.
You don't know.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Uncle Jumbo, Emeregi Abura Madu Meregi Fasi Kwachi Kwekwana.
Leave me alone.
Give me. For what reason now? For love. Love. I will not marry a woman with a charm. Love. No. There's so many other beautiful girls out there. But this is the one.
Hey! You're a disgrace to our family.
Say it 10 times, you are right.
You're a disgrace, you're a shameless man.
I am not denying it.
And I've been fighting her all this while because of you.
Because you don't know. I am wicked.
Just like that. Biko. Say it's okay.
How do you go ready? Okay. I hope you are ready. Now I'm coming out already.
Chima! What is it? Come outside now! Come out! Come outside!
What is it?
You're wicked!
Get out!
Chima, you're wicked!
What is it now?
What is it? Mua, what is it?
What is it now?
Chima! Mua, me, Ujunga, your own sister. You connive with that. You connive. Leave her alone. Let her talk. Leave her alone. She's angry. She connive with your stupid friend. We tell him lock portion. Muwabuju, your relation one leg wine. Keep her on Katasero lock portion. Oh, God will punish you. You are one with her. Yes. Chima, you are wicked. You are wicked. You are a disgrace to our family. You know what? Chima, make another our village. Yes. I am not checking village. I'm waiting for you. Chima, I am waiting for you. I am checking that village. I'll treat you. Walk up in the village. I'll give one to one. What happened now? Let's move your waist. Come here.
Hey, leave. What's the problem? What's the problem? Go inside. Go inside. Come. Go inside also.
Uncle, just take a good look at my brother. Look at Jumbo. Is he not handsome enough to make a good warrant for himself? Look at him. Look at my brother, Jumbo.
Hey. Jumbo, my son.
Did your father use charm to marry your mother? No. What a man made for life. Jumbo, how many years in marriage? No issue. No better life. Jumbo will call this wasted years. Hey!
Hey! Nwatakịrị a na-etiri uberegede ọ na-agba amara n'uberegede bụ egwu ndị mmụọ. I told you, Jumbo. I told you that marriage goes with love, but you wouldn't listen. Jumbo, find another girl to marry. A girl that will love you. A girl that will give you better children. A girl that will respect you. You refused. Nenya, was it not because of her belly juice backside that you chose to marry her? I told you earlier that you will still find me. You will still look for me, but you will not see me. Thank God now, it will not be a belly. If not, Jumbo, you painted me black.
Mama.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Allow me. He chased me away with bottle. Mama,
you chased me away. You chased me away. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Allow me not to talk to this person. Jumbo, didn't Mama tell you that you regret it? Oh. Mama told you that you regret it. And after my baby, you were a muzzle. Oh. Nah, you know you can know you.
Kulonu down. I dozi na agbaru. Kulonu down. No. Butu onunu. Ogini. We have not and cautioned him enough. We have talked enough. There is no need flogging a dead horse. All we have to think about now is the way forward. Going back and forth is of no use. Biko, on behalf of my elder brother Jumbo, I want to say sorry to everybody. Uncle, Biko Zeno, Balu Zeno. Oh, he caused all of us pain, we know that. But Mama Biko, Kaibu to Zeno. Mama, all I need now is an order from you, to get him another girl to marry.
If I'm a guy ahead.
Thank you, own name. As we all can see, age is no longer on his. Let's do something about his situation. Oh, my elder brother Kobo, I cannot just fold my arms and watch this happen. There is this girl around my shop. The girl she has money on my shop. We pay for nail. It's a backside.
Chima did this to me because I don't have a little child.
God will judge both of us. God will judge Moa and Chima.
Mama, Chima is not our God. He's not our God.
What did I do to him?
Mama.
What did I do to Chima? What did I do?
Mama, please stop crying. If you are crying, it means you don't regard us as your children. Because
no, that's not what I meant. Because why would Chima do something like this to me? What did I do to him?
Mama.
What did I do to him?
Then stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Sister is here and God will give her a good husband. She will remarry. Stop crying. You make me cry too.
Oh, don't cry. It's okay.
Stop crying, okay?
It's okay.
Sister, don't worry. God is our strength.
My in-law, I am very sorry. You see, this thing is not my fault. Please, it's not my fault. Try and forgive me. Please. You see, it is my friend that was deceiving me. I don't know why human beings can be so evil. He was deceiving me and telling me to go and scatter my family. And look at what I've been doing to my beautiful wife. Scattering, beating my wife. When he himself is having a peaceful family. And that takes me back to what happened when Adam was new to the world. The snake deceived Eve in the farm of Eden. That is how snake enter inside my friend's body to come and deceive me in my house. I'm sorry, it will never happen again. Please, help me beg my wife to forgive me, please.
Ogo, we have heard you. Obidia.
Nine.
Shine.
Yes, Papa.
The ball is in your court. The question is, are you going back with him?
I know my husband. My husband is not a wife beater. I'll go back with my husband.
Thank you. God bless you. Please.
Sister, you mean you want to follow this stupid man to his house again?
Don't you call my husband stupid ever again.
Huh? On the traditional marriage day, didn't I say to you? Hey, come and shut up.
It's okay.
What is okay? What is okay?
Let me.
You're appointing my wife accusing finger. I will dip you inside hot water. You see all these things?
It's okay now.
You think it is beards? They are fed out. I will just block them out like native fast.
Chine, any day, anytime you have problem with this man, don't call me again. Don't even report to this house again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Look at this man, because he's training behavior. He's training. Go to church, just look at the way he's walking like one bamboo stick that is standing in front.
Don't insult my son, please. Don't insult my son, please. What's your own?
I'm sorry.
You caused everything.
I'm sorry.
Ogo.
Honey, wipe your tears.
We have heard you. Well, since Chinaya has taken the decision to go back to her husband, I think it's a wise decision. Who are we to stop her? But Ogo, I warn you for the last time. Never, in any occasion, to lay hands on my beautiful daughter.
No,
I hope I made myself clear.
Yes.
Obidia.
You are a man of peace. You are a man of peace. You are a man of peace. But Papa, Mama, that your other son, he resemble you.
It's okay.
You don't know whether you bath with it. It's okay. My wife, come. Don't come now.
You mean you have forgiven me, Chuma? From your mind, from your heart.
From all parts of our intestines, everything shall be used for me. All mind and heart alone. Shame the enemies, tell your brother shoot.
So this is where you're hiding. I'm talking to you. This is where you're hiding. So you knew that Jumbo has been our problems all this while and you kept quiet. And the only thing you can do is to come and sit down here and hide your face. So all you don't want to eat your food, you not dust the TV, you not sweep the house was because of Jumbo. And now here you are hiding. Look at me, I'm talking to you.
I can't look at your face. I'm ashamed of myself. Please, hi, Jumbo. So you are such a wicked person. Hi, you destroyed my family. Hi, Jom, I'm sorry, but I can't look at your face. I can't look at your face.
Do you know what? If you don't want to look at me, I will go in there, I'll pack my things, I'll leave you.
Please, Jom, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. Please, Joma, come now. No, come, Joma. Joma, please, don't go. Joma, I love you. Please, Joma.
Chima! Sister! What are you doing here? Sister!
Why are you shouting?
Hey! Come and see who is in our house, oh! Hey!
Chima! Chima! You had the audacity to come to my house. Leave me alone! Please, you're sorry. Please, now, sorry now. You're sorry. Talk to her now. Mama, come and talk to her. Mama, you're sorry now. Until you people say no. You're sorry.
Calm down. Chima, can you explain what you are doing here? Because if I start my own, you can't stay here.
Would you please forgive me. I am very, very sorry. Please, I was deceived by Jumbo. Please, I was thinking that I'm doing you a favor. But please, I'm sorry. I am very, very sorry. Please, you know, you still have hope.
Eh? Chima.
Huh?
I still have hope.
Yes.
I still have hope.
Because you know.
When my mates are in their husbands' houses, some has given birth to 3 kids, some 5 kids, some 10 kids, and you're telling me to forgive you, that I have hope, or where?
You still have hope.
That I have hope. I have hope. If I get hope, I have hope.
Once upon a time, God created a man. To look and finish, he decided to give him friend. Woman. To help him begin the work, to help him finish the work. So when he frowning face, somebody go ask him why. So when she begin to cry, somebody go pamper her. She fit to forget herself just to remember you. Even when you make him vex, she still the pamper you. So no be for us to fight, this thing na me and you. Man and woman, oh, they be like some beans. Like some beans. You can wear your ego better for you. Better for you. Forget the difference, so enjoy the combination. Forget the doubt, enjoy the motivation. Oh yeah. Put away the worry, so enjoy the satisfaction. In all you do, love is the answer. For me and you, I say love is the answer. For me and you and you, love is the answer. Once upon a time, God created man. Look and finish, yo. He decided to give a friend. Woman. To help him begin the work, to help him finish the work. So when he frown in face, somebody go ask him why. So when she begin to cry, somebody go pamper her. She fit to forget herself just to remember you. Even when you make him vex, she still the pamper you. So no be for us to fight, this thing na me and you. I said this thing na me and you. Me and you. This thing na me and you. Oh, man and woman, oh, they be like some beans. Like some beans. Who can wear your ego better for you. Better for you. Forget the difference, so enjoy the combination. Oh shit. Forget the doubt, enjoy the motivation. Put away the worry, so enjoy the satisfaction. In all you do, love is the answer. For me and you, I say love is the answer. For me and you and you, love is the answer. So no worry yourself if I give everything to my lover. I could do anything, cause I love her. Chobonye gabu, keki, chobonye gabu, kemu, chobonye gabu, keki, chobonye gabu. Once upon a time, God created man. Look and finish, yo. He decided to give him friend.